Yeah, well, to be honest with you, I can't take too much credit for it. We have, a developer on the team who does a fantastic job and actually has been kind of AI first minded. So our journey basically started when we had a major issue with respect to, we use credit cards. We probably have 25 team members with a credit card. They all have
Mm,
receipts that need to get uploaded and all of the bookkeeping needs to be handled. We use one credit card and it gets spread across multiple properties depending on what's being purchased. And so the challenge we had was we have, 400 receipts in a month. How do we get those uploaded? So we actually created a tool. I didn't create the tool, but our developer Mike created the tool. Essentially, you just take a picture of a receipt, hit AI reads that receipt, figures out who the vendor is, the date of the purchase, the amount, and then we do some back end stuff. He created a portal as well where that receipt gets uploaded. We tag it to a property of multiple properties. We tag it to a GL, and then we push it into our ERP, which is our property management software. So we kind of started there, but at the same time, we're receiving invoices from probably hundreds of vendors at this point. So one of those challenges is like, how do we get all of those paid and input? So that was what we've actually moved over to using Kolena a lot for. And then in addition to that, we've kind of found other use cases. And like in our industry, we're doing compliance work. So one of our use cases is with respect to compliance, and as opposed to just a human kind of going through those files, we run it through AI. We have a prompt that checks on certain things.